Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Carrie and this is MyChairSpins. For the next couple of videos, I'm going to post all about how to use Office 365. More specifically, how to use Microsoft Teams. Why? Because it's awesome. I hate getting emails. I'm a little OCD and I really like to keep my inbox at 0, so I get super stressed when I come into work and I have 100 emails in my inbox. There's no time for that. There's too many other things going on. Right? Am I right? Am I right? Shh. I'm hiding down here from my email. It's out of control. Don't tell. Can't get rid of emails because that's the way people like to communicate. Except there's a better way. So, what is Microsoft Teams? It's basically a hub for collaboration. You can do all of the things. Are you ready? Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm super excited. So for this video, we're just going to talk about the basics. What is Teams, how to access it, how to download it, and then the organization or hierarchy of building out Teams. So if you start from office.com, you'll see all of the applications available through Office 365. And if you select Teams, you should then have the option to download it as a desktop app, and I highly suggest doing that, or you can use the web app instead. If you download the app, this is what it looks like once you get logged in. And then let's just talk briefly about what is a team and what is Teams used for. So it's really a hub for collaboration. It's a way to stay connected with your team or with a group of people, subset of teams or organizations. However you want to break down the structure is entirely up to you. I will say that I like to think of teams as houses, and then each team has a set of channels, and I like to think of the channels as rooms in the house. The channel is where all the work gets done. That's where you're going to spend all of your time. A team itself is really just the group of people in which you've allowed access or set up as a member. And in the background, when you create a new team, what you're really creating is a SharePoint group. So you can organize channels by topic, by organization or work group, but this is where you're going to go to hold meetings and have conversations, share files, collaborate on different documents together in real time. It completely eliminates the need to have multiple versions of the same document. You can turn on tracking if you want to approve or discard changes that someone's made. You can track every change and version that exists of a document. So it's really great for making sure that everyone stays up to speed on what the latest news is. Let's talk about building channels in a team. So as you can see, we have a team here already called MyChairSpins. So this would be for my brand or my website or whatever the case may be, right? And so if it's all inclusive of everything I'm trying to do for my business, then I'm going to add a channel, and I'm going to call this channel YouTube because I have a YouTube channel, right? And I'm not going to add a description right now. I'm just going to add the channel. But then I also have a Facebook page. So let's add a channel that says Facebook. Right? And let's also set one for my website because I have a website too. So let's add a channel and put website. And I'm clicking this box here that says automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. That's so that it actually shows up when a new person is added to the team. Otherwise, it would say there's a hidden channel or something to that effect, and you may not be able to see, or you may not notice that there are additional channels within the team. So I think this gets us started pretty well. So in the general channel, it has its own file structure, and there's also a wiki that comes standard with all new channels. You can add new sections. You can title your section. You've also got some formatting options here to create it and build it out, but you can also tag people in it. So at Carrie, so if we would tag me here, I would get a notification saying, hey, you've been tagged in something, right? So that's what a wiki page is. The posts, this is like just about any other social media platform out there. It's really a rolling history of conversations. You can share files. There is a file structure set up for each channel individually. So the files in the Facebook section are not going to be the same files as general. They will not pull over from the other channels. They are standalone file libraries. You've also got extra options here. You can pin a channel or a team, and it'll show them up here. And so you notice that the whole team is not pinned up here. It's really just the channel that I pinned is up there. I can go and unpin that if I want. You can also get links to the channels specifically if you just want to direct someone to the channel itself. You can also set your channel notifications and how you want to be notified when activity takes place on a channel. To add a member, we would just go to the ... next to the team and add member. And you can add by name or distribution list or by email address. So this means that anybody internal or external to your organization can be added. The differences will be in how they join the team and if they choose to download the desktop application or if they access Teams through the web app. There are a couple of differences we'll cover in another video, but just know that there are some differences. This two-way relationship is going to require a little bit of help from you. I'm going to need you to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. You want to, you know you do. You can also hit the thumbs up if you like the content in this video. I'll see you later.